The Wasteland. T.S. Eliot Complete Explanation. Exam Ready. 1. Introduction. The Wasteland, 1922, is one of the most important poems of modern English literature. Written after World War I, it reflects the spiritual emptiness, moral decay, and cultural fragmentation of modern civilization. The poem is modernist, meaning it is fragmented, full of mythical, literary, and religious allusions, lacks a single clear narrative, uses multiple speakers and voices. Eliot himself provided notes to explain its many references. 2. Central idea. The poem presents the modern world as a wasteland, spiritually barren, emotionally sterile, culturally broken. However, the poem ends with a hope of renewal through self-discipline, compassion, and spiritual awakening. 3. Structure of the poem. The poem has 5 sections. 1. The burial of the dead. 2. A game of chess. 3. The fire sermon. Death by water. 5. What the thunder said. Each section shows a different aspect of modern decay. 4. Section-wise explanation. I. The burial of the dead. Key idea: the contradiction between life and death. April is the cruelest month. Spring brings life, but modern people prefer spiritual death because it avoids pain. The past, memory and tradition offers no comfort. People live mechanically like living dead. Theme: loss of faith, fear of renewal, spiritual numbness. 2. A game of chess. Key idea: breakdown of personal relationships. This section has 2 scenes. A. Upper-class woman, luxurious setting, empty, meaningless conversation, no emotional connection. B. Lower-class woman, pub conversation, marital boredom, sexual exhaustion. Theme: love reduced to routine and frustration. The fire sermon. Key idea: moral and sexual corruption. Title refers to Buddha's fire sermon, renunciation of desire. The river Thames is polluted, symbol of moral decay. The typist and clerk's mechanical sexual encounter shows emotional emptiness. Theme: desire without love leads to spiritual death. 4. Death by water. Key idea: death as purification. Phlebas the Phoenician dies by drowning. Water here symbolizes cleansing and rebirth. Message: pride and materialism end in death. V. What the thunder said. Key idea: hope of regeneration. Dry, barren land equals spiritual emptiness. Thunder speaks the Sanskrit words from the Upanishads. Datta, give. Dayadhvam, sympathize. Damyata, control yourself. These are moral lessons for restoring civilization. The poem ends with, open quote, Shantih, 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 meaning, the peace which passeth understanding, close quote. Theme: spiritual discipline brings renewal. 5. Major themes, exam points: spiritual barrenness of modern life, fragmentation and chaos, loss of faith and tradition, sexual immorality and emotional emptiness, death and rebirth, hope through spiritual wisdom. Knob 6 symbols. Symbol, meaning, wasteland, modern civilization, water, death and rebirth, dry land, spiritual drought, fire, desire and destruction, Thames, moral decay, thunder, divine guidance. 7. Use of myth, mythical method. Eliot uses ancient myths, especially Fisher King legend, to compare past fertility with modern sterility, suggest that modern society needs spiritual healing. 8. Style and technique. Free verse, multiple languages, sudden shifts in voice and scene, heavy use of allusions, fragmented structure. This reflects the fragmented modern mind. 9. Critical significance. Landmark of modernist poetry. Reflects post-war disillusionment. Influenced poets like Auden and Pound. Combines Eastern and Western philosophy. Number 10. Conclusion. Perfect exam paragraph. The Wasteland is a powerful poetic representation of the spiritual decay of modern civilization. Through fragmentation, symbolism, and myth, T.S. Eliot presents a world cut off from faith, love, and meaning. Yet, the poem ends with a vision of hope, suggesting that renewal is possible through self-control, compassion, and spiritual awareness.